weather statement. For the following counties in New York: Broome, Chemung, Cortland, Madison, Northern Oneida, Onondaga, Schuyler, Southern Cayuga, Tioga and Tompkins, and Bradford. Pennsylvania: a snow squall will affect Chemung, extreme northwestern Broome, extreme southeastern Schuyler, extreme west central Oneida, northwestern Madison, Onondaga, southeastern Cayuga, Tioga, Tompkins, western Bradford and western Cortland counties. At 4:17 p.m., a snow squall was along a line from 13 miles south of Oswego to 13 miles south of Seneca Falls to 7 miles northeast of Corning to 24 miles southwest of Corning, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Wind gusts to 40 miles per hour are possible with this snow squall. The snow will rapidly drop visibilities in the squall to near zero. Snowfall rates will approach 2 inches an hour in the line. This snow squall will be near West Elmira and Elmira Heights at 4:40 p.m., Sealy Creek and Webb Mills at 4:45 p.m., East Venice and East Genoa at 4:50 p.m., Warreners and Village Green at 4:55 p.m., Fillmore Glen State Park and Allen H. Stream and State Marine Park at 5 o'clock p.m., Euclid and New Hope at 5:05 p.m., Crane Brewerton at 5:10 p.m., New York State Fairgrounds and Sempronius at 5:15 p.m. Use extreme caution if you must travel into or through the snow squall. Slow down and allow extra time to reach your destination. Consider delaying travel until the squall passes your location. The following is an urgent